In today's video, we're going to take a look at how we go about creating a detailed drawing of Inventor's tube and pipe design elements. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do over here is we're going to go and create a drawing from our assembly. And I'm going to choose my standard.idw over here. Now, with this drawing over here, you'll see that I can see everything, both the components that are attached to my tube and pipe run, as well as the table. So what I'm going to do over here is I've created a design view of my feed line. Okay. Now, I just noticed something's going on here, so I'm just going to take a look at why it's over here. And we'll see that in our pipe run, the components are not visible. So let's just go and take a look and put the visibility back on that. Okay, so once that's done, what we can do, I'm just going to go and change the view. And let's say put it like that. And go put in a view over here. Okay. So now when we're taking a look at this, if you had to take a look at the tube and pipe, we want to kind of know exactly what that distance is over there, and then what the distance of the pipes is over there. So I'd probably look at it from the top view and the bottom view as well. But in my drawing over here, if I had to go and measure it, where do I measure it from and where do I measure it to? A little bit difficult to see over here, or because you've got your pipe fittings as well, and you've got the bend. What would be really nice if we had a center line running up along inside the pipe. And with Inventor, we are able to accomplish that. So if I go to my tube and pipe runs, I can right click on that, and you'll see I've got the option to include root center lines. So I select that, and you'll see there I've got my root center line. So this now, in this view, will give me the exact length that I need. So I can go and dimension this and be happy in the knowledge that this is the correct length that I am detailing over here. And then I would do the same for this over here. So this view, so you'll just need to go to the separate view, okay, and then go and navigate to where the tube and pipe runs are. Right click, include root center lines, and there we go. And then with this dimension over here, you can either do the aligned dimension, your horizontal dimension, or your vertical dimension over there, whichever the guys on the shop floor need to go and create this assembly over here. Once we've got that, we can now take a look at the bill of materials or the parts list. So under the annotate, we can go through to our balloon, and this is just the general ballooning as well. I'm just going to go and create a new base. You want to project this view over here. Which one looks like a nice one? Okay. So we're going to go take a look at that one over there. And once we've got that, we can go through to our auto balloon, select it, add, remove components, and then we can go and select the placement. Now, if we take a look at this over here, we'll see we got bomb view is structured. Okay, I'm going to go around. I'm going to go and place it, and okay. So with that bomb view structure, it says 1 and 5, but I mean, there's a lot more components here. So what's going on? Let's take a look at what the parts list looks like. So I select my parts list and structured all levels, and I'm going to put in my parts list over here. Okay, so I see tank, frame steel, and run 01. Now, run 01 obviously has got quite a few components in it. So let's go take a look at how we can expand that. So edit the parts list, and you'll see because it is your structured all levels, I am able to then go and open up and see exactly what's going on over here. I'm not interested in too much in the frame. I'm more interested in what's happening down over here with my components, especially with my pipes over here. So I'll go okay, and there we go. Let's just move this down a bit. Just make some room. Okay, so there we go. So we got our parts list over here. Now, the one thing we might want to do is, we've got the pipes, but we maybe want the to group all the pipes together so we can get a complete length. So to do that, we will go and edit this parts list, and in your filter settings, we can filter by, sorry, correct, I clicked on the wrong one. It's not filter, it's by group settings. We're going to take a look at group settings, and we're going to group it by stock number. Okay, we want to display the group participants and also display the item numbers. So I click on OK, and you'll see what it's done is it's taken the pipe and it has grouped it all together. Okay, so 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5 is grouped it, and the total amount is 128.788.3, and then you'll see there are the individual pipes that make up that 12833. If I come back to my group settings, we can also take away do not display group participants, and you'll see that it'll take away those top three over there and just show it to me as 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5 in one line item. Click on OK, and there we go. So we've got our pipe at the top, and then you'll see there we have got our part numbers and the other components further down in this parts list. So that is just to quickly show you how we're able to take a tube and pipe design in Inventor, get our center lines, that we can get our very accurate drawing the lengths of the tube and pipe, and then on the parts list we're able then to go get our individual numbers over there. So you'll see over here 5.6, it was 5. I just need to go and add the rest of my balloons over here. So once I do this, you'll notice that there are a lot more balloons that now pop up to populate that view over there, and they'll all correlate with what's sitting up over here. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching.